We're moving all of the stickers from the front office to our own area here in the warehouse, which used to be an old recording studio, which will allow us to get our own stickers when we need them rather than trying to interrupt the business of the front office.
So how are these organized right now? Tell us about the complications involved in the project.
Well, the complications included all of the stickers being shelved on a unit that we could not move at once with the stickers being on there. So we had to move the stickers, but also keep them organized as per the inventory. So Chris came up with a creative solution using our skateboards that we normally use for the records, where we're stuffing records.
Cool. This is going to save a lot of travel time and a lot of waiting time. This is good improvement. We'll check back in. So Paige and Heb are reinforcing the old IKEA shelving. It's a little bit flimsy, so we're adding some strips here to make it stable.
Yeah. Oh,
Nice.
And now we are able to get the stickers and the download cards when we need them to the appropriate people when they need them.
Don't have to bother Alex and Allie.
Correct. A little bit more of an efficient procedure. So
And you cataloged all the Led Zeppelin stuff, right?
I did all of the Led Zeppelin stickers to include all of the panel stickers that go on the album jackets have been inventoried and correctly organized. I've done my very best to make sure that everything is grouped accordingly. So I tried to keep the Led Zeppelin with the Led Zeppelin, the Metallica with the Metallica, maybe some of the Merge with the Merge records, Red Hot Chili Peppers with the Red Hot Chili Peppers. There are other examples. For instance, some more of our generic.
Oh yeah, you inventoried all the stock stickers too.
I sure did. Yeah, all the stock stickers. All the stock stickers were inventoried, and I tried to group those together too, so that we would be able to see those much easier rather than having to search for them in their individual locations.
Did you count all of the individual record store day stickers?
I did. I absolutely did. We have hundreds of thousands of those stickers. More to follow, as per the rumor.
1 million stickers.
1 million stickers, that's correct.
Awesome. This is great. This is very, very cool. This is super efficient. Saves way more than 2 seconds a day. Saves like 20 minutes a day. Very cool. Thanks, Paige.
Oh, you're quite welcome.